Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Select the row below the row you want to freeze. To select a row, you need to select the entire row on the left side. With the row selected, click on the View tab at the top, select Freeze Panes, and you'll see several different options you can choose. Freeze Panes will freeze all rows above your selected row.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To lock more than one row or column, or to lock both rows and columns at the same time, choose the View tab, and then click Freeze Panes. You will want your cursor to be below the rows you want to freeze and to the right of any columns you want to freeze. 5 April 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Freeze columns and rows to keep them in view while you scroll through your data. Select the cell below the rows, and to the right of the columns you want to freeze. Click View, Freeze Panes, Freeze Panes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Freeze or unfreeze rows or columns. On your computer, open a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Select a row or column you want to freeze or unfreeze. At the top, click View. Freeze. Select how many rows or columns to freeze.
Take our lead.
To freeze rows, select the row below the rows you want frozen. For example, if you want rows 1 and 2 to always appear at the top of the worksheet even as you scroll, then select row 3. Click the View tab. Click the Freeze Panes command. Select Freeze Panes. A black line appears below the rows that are frozen in place.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To enable the Freeze Panes command again, you must choose either the normal or page break preview commands. You'll have to manually restore any frozen panes that you lost when you chose Page Layout View. Figure 1, Excel's Page Layout command disables the Freeze Panes command and unfreezes rows, columns, as well. 3 February 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Excel Freeze Panes tool allows you to lock your column and/or row headings so that, when you scroll down or over to view the rest of your sheet, the first column and/or top row remain on the screen.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.